Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. As always, thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. If you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date on videos like this. But a lot of you have been calling in, you've been emailing lately. Hey, I've got a new truck. I want to mod it. I don't want to lose the warranty, so I have just the thing for you we're going to look at today. Here it is. It's an intake. It's a tune. Warranty, 50 state legal. Let's get started. All right, so here's what we have. Roush Performance has an entire line of what they call the Performance Pacs. It's an air induction system with a calibration for your 5-liter F-150, which is what I have, or a 2.7 or a 3.5 EcoBoost. So you get the calibration, the cold air intake system, which is awesome. We're gonna take a little bit closer look. I have Doug with me today. But you retain your 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. Of course, it's from the time of purchase. And most of these systems are 50 state legal. So don't forget, in the description, I'll put some links where you can go in, click on, and maybe find the right kit for a particular year. But let's look at this right here. So the air induction system, I like it because you get a really nice enclosed air box. You get the high flow filter. They do put a clear lens on it, which makes it look really cool. And of course, a molded inlet tube. This one's 105 millimeters, but instead of just being open, all the hot air in the engine compartment, it ties into the factory induction system. So my air is still coming in right here. Goes right into the air box. You have the large filter supplying the old Coyote engine. The biggest thing about this kit is the throttle response. So when you go out and you drive the truck after you've installed this, there's no doubt you have the calibration on. Part throttle is much quicker, taking off from a stop sign much quicker. And that's really why I wanted this kit on here. I've been driving for quite a while. I haven't seen any sort of decrease in mile per gallon, possibly a little bit better. I also run a system like this on our work truck, which is a 3.5 EcoBoost. I'll do a video on that truck some other day, but that thing is really good at part throttle. When you pull out, I love it. So this is what they call the Performance Pac 1. They have Performance Pac 2 also that includes an exhaust system. And like I said before, even the 2 retain your 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. And I believe that kit is also 50 state legal. But this is all about the Performance Pac 1. I've been driving on it. I love it. You out there that you're wanting, I want to keep the warranty. I maybe need something 50 state. This right here is definitely the kit for you. But the reason I'm showing you this today, because this is the last day I'm going to have this kit on this truck, because next is the Roush Phase 1 Supercharger. And guess what? That kit is also 50 state legal and retains a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. So there's lots of different ways out there to mod your trucks. But those of you that want the warranty, here you go. It's called the Performance Pac 1. So I'm gonna strap this down on the dyno. I'm gonna make a pull. I'm gonna look at some before and after numbers. We're gonna get a little bit of a gain from this, but the thing I love about this is just driving around. The response is quick. I love that because I don't like drag race this truck. I just go out and have fun in it, and it's a night and day difference. So let's get this thing strapped down and let's watch a pull and let's check the numbers out. Okay, a little bit of info. I am running 93 octane before and after. This kit, you can actually run with 87 if you want to. I think it's optimized for 91. If you live out here, like I live in Indiana, we can get 93. I know a lot of you out west only get 91. That's gonna be your best performance. But if you only wanna run 87, you can do that. It'll just work for it. You don't need a new tune, you can run 87. And this is an automatic. I dynoed it in 4th gear. Now, those of you know a lot about dynos know with this transmission being a 10-speed auto, 7th gear is the proper dyno gear, all right? But because F-150s have a 100-mile-an-hour speed limiter, 95 to 105, rough, right around there, you really need to dyno it in a less gear because you will hit your speed limiter probably like at 35 or 4,000 RPMs. I want to run up to 6,500, so 4th gear dyno pull before came in at 335 to the tires. That's not bad with these big tires on here. Finished this peak versus peak on our dyno jet, 348. Now, torque 350 to 355, solid gains across the board. But here's what's interesting, and I can feel this on the street. So right here, this blue line is before. When I would hammer this truck, and I don't hammer it a lot, I'd always feel like a power reduction right here. But with the Roush calibration, it completely stays smooth. I mean, that's a 20 real horsepower gain right there. Torque is, you know, a little bit better there, 292 before, 309 because of that dip. I don't know why the factory tune does that, to be honest. I haven't really looked into the factory tune to see why it does it, but when you hammer it, you can feel that. You can feel that little bit of sluggishness, but now it's completely smooth. So I just wanted to show you this package. It's called the Performance Pac 1. Don't forget, links in the description. How much to get installed? You email quote@brenspeed.com. And as far as the flash from Roush, there's free software you can download to flash a truck, but there is a pass-through device you're gonna need. Any Ford dealership can do that for you. We can do it. It's pretty simple, but it's not something typically you're gonna be able to do in your house without the pass-through device. If you go in the description, you click on the kit, it'll tell you exactly what you need to make that happen. So 50 state legal, retain your warranty. It's a cool kit. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'm always happy to answer. And these are available for the EcoBoost trucks, the 5-liter Coyote. It's a pretty sick setup. Now I'm gonna be taking this off tomorrow, going for the supercharger, which the gains before and after are gonna be much greater. Can't wait to make that video, let you guys see it. Thanks for watching.